Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you what I usually do for healthy meal prep for lunch. I always start by cleaning some fresh veggies. I like to use a fork to poke holes in each side of the sweet potato, and then I'm going to take it and wrap it in foil and place it in the oven on 425. Today I'm doing oven roasted asparagus. And you guys, you want to cook your asparagus last. That's the best thing to do because it cooks rather fast and you could burn it before you know it. I normally take my asparagus and drench a little olive oil, a little lemon pepper or accent, season them up really good. You want to make sure they're laid flat and are not stacked on top of each other. And then you can cook this asparagus in the oven on about 350 for 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, now it's time to season my chicken, and I'm going to use the air fryer today, so I'm going to coat it lightly with olive oil. Sometimes if I don't use the air fryer, I will cook it on the stove top or in the oven. Guys, this is a quick meal prep for me while I'm doing my intermittent fasting. It's always good to have meals prepared. So basically I season it till I get the desired look that I want on it. And then I pop it into the air fryer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so basically what had happened was my asparagus cooked a little bit too long, so I decided to replace it with some steamed broccoli. I like to sprinkle a little olive oil. And I like to season my veggies with some garlic and herb and some accent. Now it's time to do my sweet potato. I like to take some butter, some brown sugar, and some cinnamon. And I like to use this Smart Balance. I like to take about a tablespoon and a half. And then I like to take the sweet potato out of the skin. And they should come out fairly easily, being that they are cooked well. And I get about as much as I can out. I don't completely try to scrape them. I leave some in there. And I like to take a couple of spoonfuls of the brown sugar. And notice I've already cut the sweet potatoes in half. I usually place 1/2 a sweet potato in each meal kit. And I sprinkle my desired amount of cinnamon and a little dash of Mediterranean sea salt. And I mix it all together with a fork. And guys, I like to meal prep for at least 3 days because I don't want to get bored with the meals. And I like to change it after about the 3rd day, and also I like the freshness of it, so I'll come back on the 3rd day and make more meals. Once the sweet potatoes are well mixed, you're going to take them and load them back into the shells. And these are my finished meal preps. I have a sweet tooth, so I added a little sweet potato in there so I don't get tempted to get something sweet during the day. And this concludes my video on my lunch meal prep. I hope you have enjoyed. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. Until next time, later.